on camera. You want to film me doing those little hips?
What? I'm not gonna. No, my dad went up there and like really made me hurt.
No, I said you want to film me.
Oh.
This is a good one.
What, the last one?
No, the hip.
Jake.
That?
I feel like I wouldn't get enough speed from here.
Are you gonna go through here? You should go through here. Yeah, you gotta squeeze, man. You should go through here. There's no lights or anything.